In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own custom textures for the tank top in T0CCT using the T0CCT tool. A little FYI before we begin that I want to mention is that some of what I show you in this video might look a bit different depending on when you're watching it, but this is just because I'm planning to regularly update the T0CCT app, but the process is the exact same either way, so it shouldn't matter. First of all, you want to make sure that you have unzipped the .zip file from your downloads, and then you want to navigate to the original textures library and then to the tank top, because this is the file that we're going to be working on in this video. Once you're in there, it's very important that you don't delete this file, but you just copy it or get it ready to drag and drop. From here, all you want to do is to open the file in any image editor that you want. I personally use Photopea, which is a free web-based Photoshop alternative. I'll put the link for it in the description, but any image editor should work just fine. From here you can customize the t-shirt however you want. Something nice to know is that the left side is going to be the front and the right side is going to be the back. For this example, I'm just going to be adding some text, some color and a PNG, but you can customize this however you want. You can mask out the whole t-shirt to make it a different color. You can have some PNGs. You can do basically whatever you want, and if you're unsure where to start, I recommend just looking up some Photoshop tutorials online. There's plenty of them. After you're done making your design, you want to make sure that you export as a .png and that you don't change any of the settings for the original file. After you're done exporting your PNG, I heavily recommend making a folder for custom clothes and then renaming the file to something you're going to remember in the future. Now all that you need to do is open the talk.exe file, press the settings icon in the top left and make sure that your game path is correct. If your game path doesn't show up, you can press the auto detect button or copy and paste it in manually. Now we just select our clothing piece, in this case it's the tank top, and here we can either browse in our file system for the PNG or just drag and drop it. Now we just hit apply to game and then wait for it to finish. Then you can launch the game, go into a map, go to customization, clothing, top, and then the tank top. And just like that, you now have your very own custom-made tank top in T0CCT.